So this is going to be a little drill for people that have never rode switch before. You see it a lot. People just go, oh, I'm going to learn to ride switch, and all they do is they spin their board around 180 and they just try and ride it. So I found this when I was trying to learn switch, it was a little bit easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the right hand side of the slope. Me being regular, I'm left foot forward. I'm just going to do a normal hillside turn across the hill. Then as I'm going across the hill, I'm going to do an additional heel turn up the hill, so I need to carry a little bit of speed. As I turn up the hill, I'm going to start losing speed, and when that starts to happen and my board is pointing down the slope, I can put my hips across onto my toe side, and then I can come out onto my toes. When I'm riding across on my toes, I can now try a heel side turn, and then when I'm coming back across the slope, same thing, I'm going to do a heel side turn, switch up the hill and come out on my toes. So the way it works is we're just doing hillside turns at the moment on both sides. So it sort of isolates one turn, and if you can manage to do this, then you can try it with toe side. So if you're having a go, it should look something a bit like this. Up the hill, hips go across and we come out onto our toes. We ride across to that side of the slope. Heel side turn. Back up the hill. Hips going to our toes. Isolating one turn. So the more I do this, I get quite comfortable riding switch, doing heel side turns. Good. So hopefully that drill is somewhat useful into getting into doing some switch riding, and we can try it going backwards. So I would start across on my toe side, I'll do a toe side turn, toe side up the hill, so we're isolating just doing toe sides. And then after you're comfortable and you can do that on beginner green and blue, then we should be comfortable trying to just put them together into switch turns. Give it a go, let me know if it was useful.